What's going on, chat? How are you guys doing? I'd like to apologize in advance for any loud banging noises that come from the people who are currently on top of my roof. Like that one. Don't know if you can hear them that well. I haven't been able to stream at all for the past couple days because it's a lot louder. And now it's quieter. I think the last stream I did was on YouTube. That was interesting. And I couldn't have been playing this song on YouTube, unfortunately, because their copyright system is too strict. That's fine. But today, I have a couple of projects. I have more than one project that I want to work on today. What the heck? Delete this. Go here. Yeah, I remember working on this. All right, chat. Let's see how we go. Let's see how we do this. Hold on. Oh, good. I don't even have Slack open on my computer. That's good, so you guys can't see my notifs. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Pretty good here. Is there anything I'm forgetting from the YouTube stream that I turned off? I think I'm good. Also, Mods, thank you for the 15 months of Prime. Appreciate that, as always. Very pog. Black background. Oh, this is Swipe Brown. The brand color of Swipe.gg. Or, I mean, Swipe.live. Because Swipe.gg cost like $13,000 and we didn't buy it. So, what's the deal? What's going on here? Azvar, thank you for the Prime. Appreciate that. What's going on? I have a couple different projects that I want to work on. I think I've done this same stream segment before. Hold on. Okay, I can get my drawing tablet out. Ow, my knee. Ugh. Oh, yeah, but my drawing tablet is cringe on Linux. I forgot about this. Always. Where's the plug? It only works with its own plug because the port on the tablet itself is recessed, not incest, into the body of the tablet, so it has to be a skinny. Oh, here it is. This cable actually has exposed wiring. Hold on. USB port. Achieved. Do I have the pen is the question. And will this even work with the cable being busted? Where's my tablet pen? Oh god, I just spilled pecans all over the floor, chat. Oh no, this is going awful. Shit. It's in here somewhere. My drawers are not very organized, chat. I just have like giant tangles of 50 different kinds of wire all in one place. All this and I don't even have the pen. That's okay. Hey, what's up, Nick? What's oh no? The pecans? It's fine. I'll pick them up later. They didn't fall towards my desk. They fell away from me, off my desk, off the right side of my desk. So it's fine. I will get in my way. All right. Here we go. This is without the drawing tablet. Can you tell? So projects. Number 1. Swipe. Swipe is coming out in very little time. And I have to do all the website design myself. Because that's just how it ended up. This is the current progress that I have on Swipe. I think this looks pretty sick. And I have a couple ideas on how to make it look even better. I have a couple ideas. No, I don't have product photos yet. So Swipe is very important. This is coming out soon. Not very much time. Swipe is Ludwig's bidet company that sells bidets. Oh, how does Stream Elements work? Command, edit, today. Oh, that worked. Ooh, Nick, I might need you to take some like 3D scans of the bidets to make like into cool 3D models. But we'll get to that. That is number 1 project. Number 2 project. Streamer Awards. I've been working on and off for a couple months on this project with Qt. And I'm basically making a admin backend for the Streamer Awards that makes her life easier. And I need to finish this before December 10th, I think, is the deadline she gave. So this isn't super urgent, but it is up there. Number 3, and this is the one that I think I'll be working on today, is the YouTube overlay. Because this is crazy, by the way. Yo, think of the raid Acorn 1010. Or is that Acorn just 10 in binary? That's just not interesting. The overlay, like the truffle overlay, it's kind of shit because I programmed this, the thing that Ludwig currently still is using for his on-screen YouTube chat. I coded this in like an hour. I was like, I rushed it really hard. It's not very good. There's a bunch of bugs in it because I coded it very quickly. I didn't think it would be the permanent thing. And Truffle hasn't changed it yet. So I have to... It doesn't seem like they're going to, without me prodding them. So I want to make it right. I want to make this thing actually good. And I started this process a bit ago with this GitHub project called YouTube WebSocket that basically acts as like a proxy that does all the hard work for you of parsing the YouTube messages out. Oh, you guys could probably hear that. That's my roof. That was loud. Yeah, so YouTube overlay. I want to do this one now because not only is it going to be easy, not only have I already started it, but the number 4 on the list depends on it being done, which is a mystery YouTube subathon for some creator that is not Ludwig, but some creator is doing a subathon on YouTube, and I am hired to code their timer and shit. And what this YouTube overlay will allow me to do is use that to, like, you know, get donation events instead of having to do it all myself. That's number 4. Number 5 is I'm not gonna work on it today. I don't have to talk about it. Yeah, so those are the 4 items. I think I'm gonna start with number 3. We probably won't move to number 4 because I want to do that off stream sneakily. Oh, and I definitely want to get to some swipe work today because I have a really cool idea for the swipe website. I have a really, really cool idea. It involves you know what I did? I rebooted my computer without saving my Blender project. But imagine this. Imagine this is like the logo swipe here is like floating in a transparent liquid. And you can see like little ripples going through it. You know? Like little, very barely visible ripples, like rippling out from it. And it would like displace the background maybe. I don't know. I think it would look really cool. I think we need something like that for the Swipe website. And I want to get that done if I can. Swipe is Ludwig's line of bidets. Yeah. That is the plan. But first off, let's fix Ludwig's YouTube chat. Let's fix Ludwig's chat overlay. Currently it is cringe. We will make it not cringe. So, this is the current state of affairs. Hold on. Let me probably rendered in the browser. Actually, it could be either. I don't know yet. I don't want to render it in 3D. I want to see if I can achieve the effect in 2D. And if I can't, then I'll render in Blender and have it be a video. I don't really want what you think you want. So this YouTube WebSocket thing, do I have a test file here? I do have a test file. Okay. So I can run yarn dev, right? Hold on. Yarn. Oh, wait. What's it called? Oh, yeah. Yarn upgrade directive. Let's just do a little bump of versions. Good. What does Swipe do? It shoots water into your asshole. Let's see. Does this work? Unexpected. Okay. Yeah. So here we are. What this is currently is it's in a broken state, I think. Yeah, I think it. I was working on this a bit, and now it's broken. Or maybe it's not. Maybe it's working. Let's just check it out. Because what this should do is it should automatically work as like a YouTube chat thing for any YouTube channel. Where's the live thing? Why is it not here? We'll do. Lo-fi girl? Ugh. Sorry. Oh, we'll just do myth. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, stop it. Okay. So, if I plug in this thing to my test file, which is somewhere. Here it is. And I do yarn test. Yes, there it goes. it's getting the chat messages. If we look at this new Valo agent, can we, yeah, here it is. New Valo agent says text right here. Sussy. This is the start of the 4th month. So yeah, so we're getting the raw chat messages. Now, I had some ideas with this. What if these ideas is genius, by the way? One of these ideas is absolutely genius. Need to get rid of this though. Yeah. The idea is I have these chat messages coming in. And what I could do is I could transform them in such a way that they look exactly identical to the chat messages that Twitch sends over WebSocket, right? Because Twitch also has a system for getting chat messages. So what this could be is like a proxy. If people could use the same libraries that they use for Twitch chat and just plug in my WebSocket address and then just have YouTube chat in that for free without having to like make a whole new system for it. That's the genius idea. And this is in a concept that would have an adapter. Yeah, a message adapter which takes in an action, which is like the raw thing that we get from YouTube, which looks like this, and then it transforms it into whatever. And currently the one I have right now is raw, and we'd have JSON, which would look like something more clean and without all these like random shit in it. And then we'd have IRC, which would be Twitch. Did I change my mic? No, but it's weird. I don't know what happened. Maybe I have to turn down the gain. Is the gain knob? I've never had to do this. I've turned down the gain. Is this better? Shloopity doo doo doo. Okay, so here we are. This is when we get a request from someone who wants to connect to our WebSocket, and we get the adapter type, which is going to be, they just provide it, and the default's going to be JSON. A bit too quiet. That's louder. So now I have this WebSocket. Oh, and I had another concept of, yeah, has state is false. Has state. But we'll come to that later. So we have the adapter type, which is like, I want my messages to come in a JSON format, or I want my messages to come in the raw format. So what this would do is we have to assign this somehow to the WebSocket. So I think I want to do ws.adapter equals this dot make adapter type. Are these messages? Ooh, this should be static. Can I do this? No. It's gonna be static must precede reval. Static. It can't be abstract. Oh, okay. Static cannot be used with abstract. Well. So then I would need a function called make adapter adapter type would be a string, and then I would return a message adapter, right? Yep. And then I would have a private adapter cache. Boom, like that. And then if or okay, so const adapter equals, ooh, okay. I would need an object called adapter map, which I should probably put in here. Export const adapter map equals, and there would be JSON. Ooh, yeah. No. JSON would be a JSON message adapter, I think. I want to do it like, oh, no. Is that one I was, oh, JSON, capital J, or capital SON. JSON, and then we have IRC, and then we have raw. Okay. So we have this adapter map now. Now in here, there's a whole lot of errors. Oh, because I put something there by accident. What the heck did I do? Undo. Adapter equal would be adapter map, adapter type. Why is this any? Okay, so I want to do would be a record string message adapter, like that. Oh, come on. Fuck. Oh gosh. It would be fuck, type of message adapter. Oh, well, that's good. That's easy. So adapter is now type of adapter. Okay, so if not adapter, or we'll just do this. So we'll just default to using JSON if they didn't exclamation point. If they didn't specify one, we do this. And now if adapter dot has state, we would return new adapter. And I don't think I need to. What? Why do I need to pass a WebSocket to it? Shoot. That doesn't make sense because I would need multiple WebSockets. Yeah, I can't have it be like this. Get rid of that. Do this. Do this. And then go here. Boom. Boom. Okay, there we go. And now I go here. Message adapter. Yeah, return new adapter. Cannot create an instance of an abstract class? Shit. But it's not an abstract class because it's now an actual class. I guess what I could do is this. That should work. No, but that doesn't work because fuck. That doesn't work because I can't access this has state thing on it anymore. But it's not Kiev adapter map necessarily, Zabel. And the key of adapter map is string. See? String. I mean, I guess I could make these functions. Like, I could do object.assign. Boom. And then, yeah, I could do this. This is a bit messy, but it should work. Can you guys hear my roof clanging? I can't tell if my mic is sensitive to pick it up. Okay, so if it has state, we return adapter factory. If it doesn't have state, then we get it from the cache. If it's cached, we return it. Otherwise, we do oh, we already returning caches here, so there we go. Okay, so this will always wow. Is that how adapter is spelled? It does not look like a word to me anymore. Is anyone else getting that? That fucking adapter. I think that I don't know. Sounds right. Semantic satiation, exactly what they said. Okay, so this should make me avoid like making a bunch of new adapters, and then here counting the days till the sun comes, but you don't live forever. What's this? Do I have a meeting? Oh, I have a fucking meeting. Oh, but it's getting canceled. Peace. Nice. So what we're gonna do is, for, I guess, I guess we can do this, and then do loop through all the WebSockets that we have, and then we do socket.adapter or const message equals socket, and okay, this dot socket is a new set of WebSocket with adapter. Nice. Okay, and this socket dot adapter dot transform. No, because this will call transform multiple times. Shit. Okay, we can't do it like this. Ooh, frick. How do we do this then? Ooh, can I do not has states? No, that would be static. Yes, I meant to access the static member, but I can't do that from a. I don't even have any adapters that have state right now. I'm like pre-planning for something that I don't even have. Fuck. What do I do here? I could loop through all of them and then collect the... I could collect like a list of adapter types that I need, and then why not just ignore the has state shit? Why not just literally just ignore this? And then if I need to do this later, I can, but I probably won't need to. So go back down here. Get rid of this. No, get rid of this. This adapter cache. This kind of wants to be reversed. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. And do const adapter equals this dot make adapter type, and then adapter dot sockets dot add ws, and then down here, actually we can do this down here, and then we'll do adapter dot sockets dot delete ws, and then up here or down here we'll do if adapter dot sockets dot okay, we gotta plug this in. Public read only sockets would be a set of WebSocket. Public abstract read only sockets, and that would do sockets public. Oops. Sockets is new set WebSocket like this. Yet do your worst okay. So now if adapter.sockets.size equals 0, so if this has no one connected to it, we delete it from the cache, just so it's not there anymore. How'd the scaling of single-threaded Node.js go? Oh, yeah. We had, I think, a couple thousand concurrents. 8,000 or so. Worked perfectly fine. Real on Ludwig stream. You not catch the stream? Could have been more than 8,000. Let me check actually. Be here. What's it called again? Oh, I spun it down. I remember this. Yeah, I don't have the exact numbers anymore. Let's see. What's this? What the heck? Why am I doing this? Thank you for the tier 1 for 12 months, Bennett. That's a whole year. Sheesh. I think my code here is just entirely wrong. I might be wrong about that, but I'll have to see. Okay, well, think about that in a bit. This is looping through all the chat messages. And I want to do this dot broadcast action, sure. When we do broadcast, I want to loop through not all the sockets, but and I don't even have a list of all the sockets anymore. Bradley Kalani, thank you for the 2 months of tier 1. Appreciate that. I want to loop through the adapters. Do that. And then adapter.sockets. Yeah, there we go. Transformed into a string. Boom. Is this YouTube chat in a Cloudflare worker? It's not cursed. It's goated. This is goated. This is acting as a proxy between YouTube chat, so you could just connect to this WebSocket instead of having to parse all the shit yourself. Dopo03, thank you for the 3 months. Yeah, it is the fact that I have to do this. I'm even going to write a IRC transform for this that makes it identical to Twitch chat, so you can just plug in a different WebSocket address and then use your same code eventually. Tim Spin, you have the problem is that you have a point, but you have absolutely no idea what you're talking about, and you didn't spend enough time looking at the code to know what you're talking about, right? So you're just arguing an entirely different thing without knowing the whole story. And I don't want to explain it to you because I'm busy. Ooh, big error mode. Class extends value undefined is not a constructor or null. What the hell? Is this like a circular dependency thing? I could move this into here. I know. I don't care what you've done. The way you're talking makes it very obvious that you don't know the context of what's going on. Like, if I was making a classic MMO in the terms of an MMO, I wouldn't be using Node for the backend. Yeah, but I'm not. But I wouldn't be using Java either, because Java is shit. I'd be using Rust or something. All right, is this good? Oh, wait, this is working. Insta working? Look at this. I don't care if Java is fast. It's a nightmare to work in. So now if I'm right here. If I now do adapter equals raw, now reconnect to this WebSocket. Doesn't seem to have worked. What would that be? Why would that be? No, it didn't work. Let's see then. Have you worked with Bun yet? Bun's cool. Not very useful for me because it's not really usable in production yet. And it won't be for a couple months, but it's very cool. Why is it set to JSON? Oh, something shittery with the URL. I'm not passing through the whole thing, probably. Yeah, yep. That makes sense. It's because, yeah. Something comforting. So I would do URL.origin equals. Fuck. Plan to use this in prod for a lot of people? No, I'm planning to use this in prod for a very few people. Because currently it spins up a separate durable object for every stream. And durable objects can only handle up to 100 people, I believe. Aiden. Oh, Aiden, did you see my thing that I made? You see this? Do you like it? Chat, if you haven't seen this is my most genius idea yet. We encode messages and send them over Twitch chat as a pub sub system. And what this means is that Twitch does all the scaling for us. So I could, okay, let me explain this. How not to do PubSub 101? This is, I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Let me show this. So, ooh, good thing I don't have my OAuth token hard-coded. So, we're going to run this yarn test, I believe. No, okay. How do I test? Ooh, it would be this. Yeah, okay. Yarn dev. Yeah, so look at this. What this is doing is it's making a publisher, which is something that sends messages, and it's making a subscriber, which is something that receives messages, right? The publisher is sending messages in this Twitch chat with this username, with this password. The subscriber is listening for messages in this Twitch chat from this username. And these are the messages that it's sending. It's sending one message that is on topic 1 and is hello world, and then sending one that's on topic 2, which is hello world, and then it's sending one which is topic 1, and that's 1,000 or 2,008 characters, right? So we sent these and received these right there. Now, what does this actually look like if you go to the Twitch chat that these messages are getting sent over? Looks like this. And let me rerun it. Let me send hello world 123. And there we go. That one's hello world 123. If I get rid of the rest, you can see. Yeah, hello world 123 is encoded like this. So, hypothetically, since you can connect to Twitch chat from a web browser, right? If I put this code that's making a new subscriber in a web browser, I could connect to Twitch chat and I could listen to events. Right? Which means that if I have a project such as, you know, Ludwig's Amazon stream thing, where there's 10,000 people who all want to listen to these events, and it wouldn't be like hello world 123, it would be like these are the current objects in the room. It would be a JSON encoded object, like these are the current objects in the room. It's the chair is in this XYZ position. And then it would instantly publish that to all 10,000 people who are all on the website, who'd be connected to Twitch over a WebSocket, and I wouldn't have to pay any money for it. It's genius. And this encoding is, by the way, was very hard, but it was really, really interesting to code this. It was super, super interesting to code this. So this is how it works, right? The maximum number of characters in one Twitch message is 500. And if we're sending 2,000 A's, we need to send it in multiple messages, obviously. So hello world 123 fits in 1 messages, but the 2,000 A's has to fit in 5 messages. So what that looks like is we have our encoder. Well, basically we encode it in a binary format that looks like this. A message could be one of 3 things. It would be either a full message, which is everything fits in 1 message, which just has 2 things. It has the topic and the data. Or it is a split message, and that's either the header, which is the first one, which contains an ID. It contains the topic. It contains the number of parts that it's expecting. So in this case, we're sending the 2,000 A's over 5 messages, and it would be like, okay, this one would contain, the topic is topic 2, and the number of parts is 5, and the data is the first couple 100 A's. And then the split message part has a GUID, which matches up with the split message header, so it knows which one belongs to which, has the index that it's in, which is like, this one would be index 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it has its chunk of the data. So then we have to do some pretty smart stuff to like figure out whether or not it's going to fit in 1 message without having to encode it. So what we do is that would be an encoding. Yeah, we get message length. So I'm basically hard coded the number of bytes that it's going to take up based on the binary encoding. And so we can calculate that without having to like encode the message and all that. And this is interesting because we have to yeah, there's this message factor, which is like log 256 over log char set length, which tells us how much it inflates because this isn't raw binary encoding. It's just using this character set that I've experimentally tested to work. What happens if a part arrives before a header? I'll get to that. We do that a bunch of different times for different parts. You basically build up a list of chat messages and have the part of the data. You know, it's not that complicated. The only hard part was like calculating this math equation. So we got that. Oh yeah, that's the encoded binary encoding stuff. Oh, and then the last part is this. Yeah, this is like, it's like base. Imagine this. This is like base 64, except it's like base 192 or something. I just added a bunch of things, and I sent like 256 messages to see which bytes remained intact, and it was a bit hacky anyway, and sometimes it didn't work. So it'd probably be safer just to use base 64, but this is cool. What happens if a part arrives before a header? So we have this decoder, which has a bunch of partial messages, which is a map of string, which I believe is the GUID, and partial data. The partial data contains a header and parts, right? So when we receive a message, if it's the full message, so if it didn't need to be split into parts, we just say, okay, that's good, that's our message. Otherwise, we get the ID from the message. So no matter what, if this is a header or a part, it has this ID attached. So we grab the ID, grab our existing partial data, and then we store the partial data. If it's the header, we plug that into the partial data. All right. If that makes sense. The partial data is basically a thing that is like, this is the messages that we've received so far. It's going to always contain one header, but it's not always, it's going to contain at least, or it's going to contain 0 or 1 headers, depending on whether we've received it yet, and a number of parts. So if it's a header, we put it into the header field. If it's a part, we put it in the parts field. And then we check if it's complete. So we're like, okay, do we have the header? If we don't, then it's not complete. We know how many parts we need. Let's check all of the parts and see if we have it. If we don't, then we're screwed and we don't have it yet, and then we just wait. So there's no concurrency issues. This works 100%, no matter if they're delivered out of order, no matter if one's delivered, 15 minutes later, it would still go through at that point. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Quick summary of this project that I worked on in a couple hours. And I might use it. Because PubSub is so expensive. And Twitch just does it for millions of people at once. So it's like, if I didn't do it, I would be kind of wasting all this work I did. There's a fucked up way of asking to get your distributed PubSub service. Well, I mean, don't use it. Well, it would work, right? I know it would work. And like, if it fits in one message, then it's like perfect. What would I use it for? I would use it for like the Amazon stream, for transferring the current room state. That might have to go in multiple messages. There's a lot of reasons why I maybe shouldn't. Well, are they like moral reasons or are they like technical reasons? Or like legal reasons? It would even use half the data center. It would use, as much as Ludwig would use if he was live. Or as much as less than Ludwig would use while he's live. X of second and third, moral and legal. Well, I mean, I probably won't use it. I just had the idea. I was like, okay, I gotta proof of concept this. One more time. Okay, does this work now? Oh. Code them as emotes. Well, emotes are transferred as text. But I could encode them as Unicode emoji. What am I doing here? Yeah, here. Adapter equals raw. Adapter equals raw. Okay, that's good. Raw. Oh, wait, it is raw. Oh, it's working now. Okay, cool. So now I specify raw, and when I make the WebSocket connection, it gives me the raw messages, which is like this big block of shit. And if I specify JSON, then yeah. Now we got nice little cleanup messages. Nice. So looks like inner. Oh yeah, this is InnerTube 100%. I would never use the official API for anything. I had a talk with the like lead technical director on YouTube Web, and he was like, they're never gonna notice if you just use InterTube. And if I connect with IRC, then it should crash the entire server. I think. Yeah. Well, oh, okay, it doesn't crash the whole server. It just doesn't send you any messages. Aiden, how much would it cost? Or how much does your generic pub sub service cost? Is the question. Because I would love something like that. This is the one thing that I'm missing. I got a good database. I got PlanetScale. I got Cloudflare Workers for a lot of stuff, and now Cloudflare Workers interface with PlanetScale, so that's good. You run it in your Kubernetes cluster. I will never set up Kubernetes again. It's a nightmare. Yeah, I mean, that sounds like what I want. Something on... I mean, I get... That would be cheaper than doing, like... Than, like, paying for it. You know, paying for a service that does it. Which I'm sure there are. Like, Kafka's kind of pub subby, right? And there are serverless solutions for that. Oh, the other thing this can do, chat, is if you put in channel and I put in like myth, then it should also just work the same. It does work the same. But there's one thing that I need to change about this. Which is, number one, I want this to be of like a durable object. It spins up an instance that just works for this one YouTube video, right? This one video. And I want this to be like Twitch, where it's like you know, it's like a chat room. You know what I'm trying to say. I want it to be like where if the stream ends and another begins, you don't have to reconnect to the WebSocket. This is essential for the subathon project I'm doing because that can't disconnect. So, I mean, it wouldn't give you offline chat for... Well, it could. It could give you offline chat for free if you had an unlisted stream. But, yeah. So, I would need to... You have a project I'd be very interested in? I'm interested. I don't know if I have you on Discord. What if I was gone tomorrow on the waves crash on? Is it selfish that I'm happy as we pass the setting sun? A truffle adapter, basically. Yeah, that makes sense. I'll just make a truffle adapter. And I can make it fall back to JSON if they're not a truffle member. But this would basically like add the truffle emotes and shit. Shouldn't be that hard to do that. So there's two things I have to do. One is making it persistent between streams, which is going to be difficult because I would have to like wait for a stream to end and then begin and be connected to the shit between that. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Why are all of these just fucking songs? God, that is so loud. Let's do the truffle part first. Seems more interesting. Don't you dare forget me, but you stayed by my side when I said. So can I make this extended JSON message adapter? Is that how this works? Fucking object-oriented programming is beyond me sometimes. I would do this dot, or no, I would do like super dot transform or super dot parse action. Oh, I could just, yeah, no, that would work. Parse action. I'll make this protected instead of private. And then here we could do super dot parse action. Get rid of this, and now I don't have to duplicate code. There we go. Yeah, so this works. Now I just have to dive into the truffle code and figure out where my, what I have to do. How are there no commits to this? Yeah, see, this is the code that I wrote in like 2 hours. 400 lines of hot garbage. Filled with bugs. Because I didn't expect it to be permanent. Okay. This I don't care about. Okay, so we get the emotes. Okay. We get the users. We get the badges. Is this good? Let me look at the extension. Oh, YouTube chat styles? I forgot how I made all this shit. Aha, here we are. Live chat. Yeah, I remember this shit. It's been long together. There's something. Man, this code is so fucking complicated. I can't do this because I have fucking emotes not handled in here. Because parse YouTube string simplifies the emotes. Fuck me. Okay. Here's what I gotta do. I gotta just not do any of this. It doesn't have to extend JSON. It just has to send message adapter. Don't have this. We have our action here. God, there's fucking 44 Amazon items again. Oh, this is so lame. I wonder. Hold on. I wonder. Because I'm going to be in LA on like the 30th. I wonder if I could like model this in person while I'm there. But that's like 3 weeks away. It would be a long delay. Kind of cringe. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Don't worry, I have no idea what's going on with this code either, because I wrote it like 4 months ago, and it's been modified since then. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I just don't fucking know what I'm doing. Let me just make a list of things I have to do. Emotes. Badges. Nicknames. Aliases is what it's actually called. Color. Yeah, username color. That's basically it, right? Shlibba-dabba-dabba-da. Shlibba-dibba-dibba-doo. Shlibba-dabba-dibba-dee. Shlabba-dabba-dibba-da-da. Shlibba-dabba-dibba-da. Shlabba-dabba-dabba. Does this use Materially Y? Holy shit, that's how long ago I wrote this. I was still using MUI. God damn. Yeah. Get username color. Yeah, we got this shit. I mean, I guess technically this should be in here. Okay, hold on. When this is constructed, I need to fetch some things. And the things that I need to fetch are the things that I'm doing, like fetch all or whatever it's called. Yeah, fetch all. So I need to fetch the emotes. What is this API base? And can I show this on my screen? Is there any secrets in here? There totally are. What is Supabase being used for? Weird. This is how you do it, right? It's only real when it hurts. It's only real when it hurts. Do this. And then I need to fetch everything. We'll just call this fetch all once again. And so number one, we have to fetch the emotes. Okay, does this work? I can just call fetch all. Why is this? Hold on. Make this async. Nah, well, who knows? Because I don't want this to be concurrent. Just put that in there for now. Or actually, never mind. Just put this unknown. Okay, now I go to here. Truffle. Oh, fuck. That works actually. Adapter factory this dot env, right? Yeah, okay, good. Now if I do this, does this work? Hold on, restart it. Oh, wait, look at that. We got our emotes. I think some of these are FFZ, some of these are... I don't know. But we got them. Now we need to get the users. I should always have that, right? I should be able to get that somehow. Wow, this is this is not fun to work on. This is crazy. I thought this would be the easy part, and this is really draining me of energy. I do not want to be working on this right now. YouTube channel ID. What is this? How do I get this in? So to get the YouTube channel ID, I should be able to do something like, I have like this dot stream details or something. What is it? Initial data, yeah. What is Myth's stream ID is the question. God, this is cringe. Firefox, can you wrap text in that view? Like Chrome does? I don't know what this initial data looks like. Yeah, okay. Current video endpoint has the current video ID in it, but it doesn't have like the current channel ID. He was browse ID. I don't know. I don't know, man. Is that in here at all? Maybe this is it. But I think this is your user ID. No, yeah, this is your user ID. Okay, wait. If I get Myth's ID, hold on. Might be this. No, that's not it. Okay, that's it. So I have this traverse JSON method that I made. So it seems to always be browse ID. So we'll do if value dot browse ID. Okay, see, it seems to always be under browse endpoint. What? Now it's browse ID again. Let me remove this shit. Fuck me. Being productive is so hard, chat. Oh my goodness gracious. Navigation endpoint. Sometimes one time it's channel navigation endpoint though. So that might be it. That might be the genius one to do. What is this under? We'll go with this one. Okay, that seems to have worked. Let's just spot test this on one more thing. Shut the fuck up, you dumbass video. So this is you, whatever. That matches. Okay, good. We'll keep this then. I want to pass just ID, but I don't want to put this in here. I want to put this like whenever it's initialized, I think. Um. There we go. Okay, that seems to have worked. That seems to have gotten the list of all users. Okay, let's continue with our work. Badges. Oh, JS, thank you for the prime. What the fuck? Wait, this doesn't make any sense. What are these things? Where did the... Oh, God. Oh, God. Where's this opening? Yes, please do. Okay. Is Gideon on Truffle? Is that... Okay, so I have badges here, right? This is how I implemented badges. And they hijacked this somehow. Unless this is only applying to Ludwig? I don't know. Oh, no. I don't know what's going on. Because these have months attached, but they're all... It doesn't say that this is a Ludwig's 12-month badge. So probably just Ludwig that has the badges, but... Okay, here's a month badge list. Where's this used? There's an ad. No, but this is... This is like cringe. This is cringe. Like this is like gosh. I don't know how this works. Does this not work? Maybe it doesn't work. Maybe that's the secret. What's Myth's channel ID again? If I go to... here. Yeah, so this is working now, even though it's buggy. This should be. Yeah, so this is Myth's chat. No, JC, there isn't. But I need someone who has a sub badge in here to type. Like Joey Bot. What is this? See, this is what I'm talking about. How did... This person didn't say I like boats, I think. No, they did. Okay, whatever. It's buggy still. How? What? Wait. Why are these people twice saying the exact same thing? Just coincidence? Weird. Alright, we'll just wait for a sub badge to show up in here. Until then, we'll ignore badges and we'll go to like emotes or something. That should be more fun. This is interesting. Oh, wait, here we go. Here's someone with a badge. I guess it would only happen if they were also a Ludwig sub. Ah, fucking who cares? No one's even complained about this ever, so we'll just leave it as is. Oh, that's such a stupid thing. No, it's not. That's fine. It's fine. Emotes. So we have, we gotta loop through these emotes. So there's a lot of truffle specific code I gotta pull into this. Okay, so we gotta loop through the emotes. We have this generate YouTube emoji thing. I don't think I want to do. Oh, I do want to do this. If only just to get the Image. Do I want to get the image? I think I do. Yeah, I do want to get this image. So I'll do this. But not exactly like this. Oh, I don't like doing this, Jed. It's so boring. um this API base would be this would be buggy, right? Like crazy. I think this project is cringe. This is why I can't maintain a project. I'm fucking shit at it. So I just lose interest. But API it should be the same, right? Okay, so here's a lot of emotes. Got BTTV, we got FFC, and there should be the custom ones in here somewhere. Like this one. Yeah, so these are the custom ones that we had made. And those seem to be work. So that is the correct endpoint. Okay, so we have all the emotes now. I need to know what a chat message should look like, though. I guess we do want the ID. Name, ID, badges. I don't know. We'll just start like this, and then we'll go to. We'll just call this a truffle chat event. And this message, instead of being a string, has to be like a thing. Something like that. Except not this. That. That looks good. We got this thing, and we'll do that. Not exactly sure. I forget what this bit index thing is doing, but I know it's doing something, so we'll keep it in there. So that's that. That's the emotes. Now we have users. Oh, we're just making a new map here. Never even ever living. I want to do this dot user map equals new map body. And I'll just call it users. So that should be that. Hopefully that just works. And then the badges. So month badges, spore badges, and then loop through spore badges. And generate YouTube badges out of them. Interesting. Okay, whatever. Custom badge. Let's grab this. That is custom badge array, right? Yep. Let's do and scrank this. What the fuck is spore YouTube badges? Why is there like 5 different fucking things? Ugh. Okay. I'm thinking of maybe even like just ignoring. No, I can't. Generate YouTube badge. I don't need this. Oh, I see what this is. Omit months, so it just has slug in URL. Okay. Get rid of that. Okay, I think that's it. That's everything. So we fetched everything now. Now I need to plug it into the messages. Export that. Okay, there we go. What? Why is there add Twitch emotes to message and then add emotes to message? Fuck me. Okay, I think this is right. If I go into here now... Oh no, that's just emotes. We can make this moment last. Oh god, this calls 4 more functions. Ugh. This really should be pulling in. There's really no way to do it. Oh gosh. Is this a public repo? I can't. Like, this would love to be part of the same mono repo. That's why it's a mono repo, but it's not. Ugh. Yoink. Splunk. Gosh, now I need to go to here and then get this. Oh god, they're sawing something. So loud. What was? Okay. What is emote indices map? What the fuck is that from? I finished Critical Role Campaign 2 yesterday, chat. It's pretty hype. So long. Now, how do I load up this emote indices map? Huh. Just filled up by reference there. Alright. Wait, no, this still... Wait, no, this hypothetically should work. As soon as a message comes through on Myth's YouTube chat. Oh, here we go. Hold on, hold on. They put a little surfer emote. And then if I go here, there we go. This person said Drake. Wait, oh, they said Drake and their message has just the emoji in it. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, it's working. It's working. It's working. But that's only emotes. I still need to do like aliases. And that's the last thing I need to do. Luckily. Someone around. Can you hear me? The sun goes down. The sun goes down. Bum, bum. This would be a number string array, I believe, and then don't know what live chat badge is. Can't hear myself think though. Well, Spore badge map is what? Spore YouTube badges. It's called Spore YouTube badges, actually. This is never gonna be undefined. This doesn't belong here. I'm not waiting anymore. Oh, okay. Go to this. Go to this. Go to this. That looks good. What is Modbad? Oh, I have to pass that in. Add months to member badge. Wait, hold on. Is there v2.truffle slash mod.png? Is that a thing? It's not. What? I'm not. Really? Why is their website so slow? It's on overlay.truffle.vip? Oh, fuck me. Yeah, funny. Fucking funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, badge dot custom thumbnail. Weaponized, do you think you're the prime sub? Oh. Why don't I just get rid of this? Boom. Got rid of. Got rid of. Get rid of. It's gone now. Don't have to worry about that ever again. Add sport badges to message. That should be easy, right? Hold on. I gotta go through this whole thing. This I don't care about. This doesn't modify the message. Do this. And it This isn't the new plan. Should work better. I get rid of this. What's up here? Okay. Normalize badges. Badges should just be a string array. fix this later. Get rid of this. This should be immutable, and then we can do, if it's an icon type, we don't care about this anymore. Care about this, don't care about this. Okay, hold on. If it's a moderator badge, we're going to return badge dot. Oh no, we're just gonna return mod badge image. No, not return, but instead badges dot push mod badge image. Else if badge dot custom thumbnail. Do that. Okay. Spore user badges. Hold on. That's just a string array. What is add spore badges to? Yeah, I don't need this. Let's do this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. And now we're good. What is this? I need to return badges. Okay, there we are. So now I have username and badges. Is that all I need? I also need the color, right? Wait, didn't I write down what I would need in here? Did I delete it? I deleted it, didn't I? Username is string or undefined. This should be... No, this shouldn't return string or undefined. This should always return string now. That's fine. It does now. Username and color string undefined. Color should be a string, but we'll see. Badges would be just badges. Name would be username. ID would keep the same. Render.id. We keep that the same. Message, we keep this the same. Type message. What else are we missing? Color. We're missing color from author. But this needs to be defined always. So how am I doing that? Well, I got chat message here, and I believe I did in here. Get username color. Yeah. Now get username color. Did I copy that over yet? Probably not. God, it's so fucking loud. I can't hear myself think. Yeah, get username color. There we are. All right. Parse YouTube string. There we go. Okay. Wait, no, username. Huh, we just grabbed the username. Oh, no, they're hammering. Ah, sheesh. Sheesh. Do that. Okay. Done. Done? Wait, are we done, actually? Hold on. Test it. Is anyone typing in Myth's chat right now? Hold. There we go. Got the color in. Okay, I think it's probably working. It's probably working. Okay, so right here I want to do if this dot last fetched. Yes. What is that? 1,000 times 60 times 60. That's an hour. I just want a minute. Every minute refetch if you haven't. Okay. Wokage. Is Wokage not an emote? Well, this guy's a badge. The badges seem to be working. I think we're good. Chat, I think we're good. Mamma mia. What is the thing that I want to do next? Where am I console login here? There. Is there anything being done? this bit, but yeah. Okay. I mean, truffle done. And now it's so loud, chat. I'm gonna mute my mic for a second. Okay, so I now need to just build SMH. No, I'm not on a boat. I am under a roof that is being drilled. Now the question is, what language do I want to write this in? Because I could do it in Svelte, probably is the best choice. Or Astro. I need to stop eating fucking pecans. Yummy nuts, eat your pecans, but I'm starting to get sick to my stomach is the problem. And I can't stop eating them. So I'm thinking Svelte, because if I did Astro, it would just be end up doing like, I would just end up adding in Svelte instantly. But there is one more. Ah, fuck! I just picked up another pecan. Ah, fuck. There's another thing I wanted to do, which is the thing. You know, the thing. Thing being oh yeah, being like resuming, like making it more like Twitch. Like if I connect to a YouTube channel, it stays connected even if the stream goes offline and then back online. Now that is something that I can't really test it. I can't really test it. But create chat object. music is louder than me, and the hammering is also louder than me. I'll just move my mic really close to my mouth. This should solve it. Test 1, 2, 3. Turn this down. Okay. So currently how it works is we get the current... If you request a Mythos channel, it gets the current live video. And it just uses that video ID. So we don't want to do that. We want to pass in the channel. Well, we do want to do that, but we also want to pass in the channel ID. So chat object, create chat object, video ID. So we could do, instead of video ID, we could pass in the channel ID. In fact, in this video data thing, get video data, I think I want to also get the channel ID. Just thinking about how to best architect this. What is it? What is it? What is it? Wait, let me check if the mod badge worked here. Didn't fucking work, chat. Didn't fucking work. Damn it. Wait, and what is Ravecat? Why is Ravecat not working? Yes, Andaria. But not in the immediate future. How long have I been streaming? 2.5 hours? It feels like 10. I think I might be good on this for now. We've done a lot of work with the truffle thing. We can finish this project later. And this isn't even the most important project coming up. So, yeah, I'm going to close this down. I just want to... I just want to, like, sleep for an hour and then resume my stream. Should I do that? Because I want to work on Swipe, but I'm drained by working on this. Take an hour, eat lunch, sleep? What do you guys think, chat? What do you think? Hold on. Yeah, this is what I would work on. Alright, I'm going to be back, chat. I will be back. Probably. stick around. And then if you didn't catch what I'm gonna work on next, the Ludwig's Bidet website got some pretty fucking cool ideas for the website. They're gonna be hard to do. I'm gonna need your help for them. All right, peace.